dirty wine, girl. Don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl. Body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving, oh, my baby.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Boy Mompreneur. I am technically officially 2 months locked, even though there's really not much locked about my hair. It's still very much so twisted, and they do unravel. I probably have unraveled ones in the back. I just washed it. I'm about to retwist it, and then I'm gonna go get them styled. I had an appointment to get them retwisted today, but the girl that was gonna do them hurt her wrist this week, so that's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna retwist them myself, and she said she'll still style them for me because I really don't know how to style them, honestly. When I retwisted them, this is my second retwist, and when I retwisted them the first time, I just wore them down. So I'm ready for another style, so I'm gonna have somebody else do that. But I just washed it, and I'm gonna retwist it, and this is all I'm using for our retwist. This is these two mixed in water. It's still wet, so I'm gonna try to move as fast as I can, but I have this here just in case. I did our first retwist with just oil and water, and I really liked it because I retwist my son's hair. I don't take him to get his hair retwisted. I retwist it. I was just gonna get mine retwisted because I can't really see the back of my head and I don't want to mess anything up. But with that being said, I'm about to retwist it again. And the first time I did his retwist, I actually washed it out a couple of days later because I didn't like it, and I had used the product. I had used the lock-in seal or lock-in something. It was like a gel, and I didn't like the way it left his hair. It left his hair all gray and clumpy, and maybe I used too much, could be on me, but I didn't like it. So I washed it out and did oil and water, and I loved the way it came out. So I did mine the same way, and I'm gonna do it again. I do have my little locking stuff for like my ends, but as far as my roots are concerned, oil and water. Like I said, I'm not gonna record this part because I'm gonna record doing my son's hair where y'all can actually see, because I can't even see. So yeah, and I have an appointment in an hour, so I have to get this done in an hour so that I can go to her and let her style them. So therefore, I don't have time to record it, basically. So with that being said, I'm gonna get started.
Natty wine, girl. Don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey. If love is blind, girl. Body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl.